Hello everybody, Antonis here. In this video I will show how I made this really quick sculpts inside 3D code. I mean, they're quite, fast and super raw. They just give you some ideas for shapes, but they take seconds to make, so you can make one of those in under a minute really. And I found that I was using the move tool, so I found it to be quite a powerful and fun way of getting new shapes out. Right, so here you can see my file setup. I've got this black background for for space, which you can put in background, choose background image. I have just a black image for this. Then I have this box which is at 100,000 triangles. You kind of want to keep it pretty low, otherwise it goes like super high really quick. Then I have symmetry on X, Y axes, and I will hide the symmetry planes for that. And then I'm using just standard brushes from this palette. So you can. I was using a lot of like this diamond brush. I was using the square brush. I was even using like cork brushes. All that, this gradient brushes. All that gave slightly different results. And I need to activate my move tool. And I need to make sure that in move tool, well, if you put ignore back faces, it will change the behavior of the move tool. It will only like pick the top faces. If you remove it, it will be more like a traditional move tool. But when we are going for this extreme deformation, you won't really see too much of a difference, to be honest. Okay. So I picked a diamond brush, and diamond brush makes this crumpled look, like polygonal look. And I'm just freeform pushing stuff out. And you can see already I have some kind of design here, like in 2 seconds, honestly. With some kind of detailing in the engine part, with some rest details, areas of rest in other parts. It's really that easy, to be honest. And then I'll just use a cut-off brush, switch to rectangular cut-off, I'll make it like full screen, pressing tab and just cut it out. So, this is already some kind of quick concept design that can work out for you. As for illustration-wise, so as a base for paint over. Alright, so new sketch, I'm actually using this alpha rope, and I'll pick it from the side and transform mode and just push it out, just get all these shapes out. And yeah, I think this 3D code is really the only software you can do this that easy and that crazy. Just trying to catch those shapes that might be good, might be bad, but freedom is pretty cool. So like huge ancient alien shapes, who knows what they are. And if you change the starting shape to a ball or a different type of cube, it will affect your design quite a bit as well. Right. Then I'll just push. I'll use this chainmail alpha. It's probably too much. Right, I use that cobblestone stain. Sometimes they work out quite nice, and I've pretty much tried all of them. Just randomly, even rock alphas, even my rock alphas. They just, they don't really behave that much. That great, but yeah, now we've got some kind of engines. Some crazy detail there. What about making it super white? Yeah, why not? Some kind of alien, I don't know, evil line type, huge shape. There's a lot of detail, there's a lot of crazy little stuff going, which you can explore further and play around. And I'll just join this symmetry plane off. Yeah. So I think this smooth tool is pretty interesting to play around, do some really quick sketches. You can see how many layers I have, like, you know, maybe really 3 or 4 minutes pure design. I got caught up with this. I was just doing them, or like doing them a lot. I will publish other time lapses. I've recorded small time lapses of them, but this video is just, I'm trying to make it as short as possible just to show the technique. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.